Hoy V, ano to? At ito, so V just posted another carousel on his Instagram. And as you can see, 20 pictures yan. This was the first, so I thought it's just random pictures of his childhood. Because we got pictures like this, and even this. At first, I thought, bakit kaya bunny yung ginamit ng emoji? Sa totoo lang, I was reaching. I was trying to create something. I was like, bakit bunny? Ang dami-dami namang emoji. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Kasi nga akala ko, these were just random childhood pictures. Pero pagdating na slide 14, nagulat ako kasi may lalaki naglalakad sa likod niya. Tapos sabi ko, bakit parang kamukha ni Jungkook? Tapos papalapit ng papalapit. This was a video. It was Taehyung flexing on the mirror, tapos may lalaking naglalakad sa kanya, papalapit ng papalapit. It turned out to be Jungkook, tapos nag-flex din, tapos sabay silang ngumingiti. I was shocked. Like, I'm not shocked na they're working out together because we know they do that a lot. Pero I was shocked na he posted this video. Parang sinasabi niya, lagi na lang kami pinag-uusapan sa live. Sige, ito na yung pruweba. Tapos syempre happy na ako dito, di ba? As in, this was more than enough for a takeover. Pero para kay V, hindi pa sapat yan. Kasi, after that slide was this slide. This was also a video na kumakain silang dalawa ni Jungkook. Unfortunately, walang sound because he used Dijon's Baby as background music. And he has used that music for a couple of posts already. Bakit kaya? Okay, sige, baka sabihin nyo biased ako. He also posted his members. We see RM and J-Hope, RM and Jimin, and a picture from their very recent live. Napakabilis mag-post. But the one-on-one post belongs to this girl, and of course, his man. Ha? Ay, wait lang, may sinasabi yung kapitbahay.